These are the hose connectors now offered on the market. Though they are priced like brass, they are manufactured of cheap plastic. Because of the cheap plastic manufacture, these hose connectors must be protected. If they are used in an outdoor environment, they are actually destroyed by the outdoor environment. They must be protected from ultraviolet light. I use 2 layers of Rustoleum paint. With the double application of Rustoleum, these cheap hose connectors can continue to function for years. Without the protection, they disintegrate. This is an example of a hose connector which did not receive the double coating of protective paint. It is disintegrating. Ultraviolet light destroys this cheap plastic of this cheap hose connector. If in China they had used plastic resistant to ultraviolet, these hose connectors could be used for years. Instead, they maximize their profit by minimizing the quality of the product. This is a hose connector after 3 years of use. As you can see, the plastic is not deteriorating due to ultraviolet light. This hose connector is in the daylight all day, every day, all year. The plastic is not disintegrating due to ultraviolet exposure. From time to time, I must respray the male fitting to protect it from ultraviolet light also.